How to fix corrupted video files MP4 in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix corrupted video files of MP4 in Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix corrupted video files of the MP4 file on Android, you just have to go to Play Store, download this application for completely free known as MP4 Fix Video Repair Tool. It is completely free and it is completely legal, and many have positive reviews on this. Download this app, open it up, and just allow it the storage permission over here. Now in my case I don't have any video that are corrupted, but if you have a video that are corrupted, this app will automatically detect those videos. It says no recoverable videos files found, even though I have got video, but I can select a video manually and I can choose to go ahead and select a certain video over here depending upon what I want in this case. And once I go ahead and select a particular video here, I can select it and it will automatically repair that video. If it is not broken, it will say file not broken, but if it is broken, it will be able to repair it. So this way you can fix corrupted video files, MP4 files, especially on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.